Sell and withdraw your OGC Airdrop token on Bitget exchange. Now, how to sell and withdraw your OGC Airdrop token on Bitget exchange is simple and easy. Now, open your Bitget exchange and make sure you are logged into your account. Now, tap on Assets. And from the top part, tap on Spot. And now from here, tap on Search. And now search for OGC as you can see. So finally, the OGC, it's listed on Bitget. Now tap on it. Now, as you can see, if you have like a balance on it, now tap on Trade. Now you need to sell it. Just tap on Sell here, and now select here the market, and now drag this to the end to 100% if you want to sell all of your OGC tokens. So after you sell, after that, just click on Sell, and you will sell the OGC and receive USDT. Now, how to withdraw that USDT that you receive from selling the OGC token? Just go back and tap on Assets, tap on Spot from the top bar, and now tap on Withdraw. And now, as you can see, select the USDT and tap on on-chain withdrawal. Now, after that, from here, the withdrawal network, it's so important to select the right one, because as you can see, the BIP20, it's fee, zero fee. You don't pay anything or any fee extra. Now tap on it, and now you can now choose the wallet that you want to transfer that USDT to. For example, if you want to transfer it to Trust Wallet, now I will go and open the Trust Wallet. Now, after you open your Trust Wallet, now we need USDT deposit or withdrawal address. Now, go here and tap on Search. Now, search for USDT as you can see. And make sure that USDT is on BNB Smart Chain. Now, tap on it. Now, after that, tap on Receive. And now, copy the withdrawal address. Now, go back to Bitget as you can see and expand this window. Now, here, just paste the withdrawal address as you can see. Now, after you paste it, now enter here the amount that you receive from that OGC token. For example, if you receive 100 USDT, 1000 type what you receive. Now, as you can see, it's zero transaction fees, and you will receive 1000 or 100 that much that you want to transfer. After that, tap on withdraw and tap on confirm, and you will receive a code on your phone number and on your email to confirm the transaction. So this is how to sell and withdraw your OGC Airdrop token on Bitget exchange. So if you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.